You keep saying you want more, but what have you actually started? Be real with yourself. Excuses don't pay bills, and comfort zones don't build futures. I found something that helps. LeadX. It's an AI system that watches the market non-stop, makes smart moves, and removes all that second guessing we get stuck in. It doesn't sleep, it doesn't panic, it just works. I'm not here to sell it to you, just showing you what's helping you make progress. If you're done sitting on the sidelines, subscribe to Wealthy and A. Saul. Links in the description. Let's move different.